So today I got the Amazon Basics. It is the puresoft mid-back office chair. I've never used their brand, so I've been kind of curious of the quality and how well it will work. And the chair that I have right now isn't the most comfortable, so I figured I'd give something a try here. So in the box we got our backing. Or no, actually that's the seat. Then we got our backing here, which that's heavy. There must be parts inside of that one. And then this must be like the part that goes, the shock part that goes underneath the seat. Alright, let's take a look. So I know that the box, yeah, I feel something moving in there. So the box is 29 pounds or so. Feels like a fairly soft, leathery material. Yeah, there's definitely pieces inside. Oh, the chair's almost hollow. Yeah, so we got the wheels, which the wheels I may replace at a later time. Whatever you call that piece. One of the armrests, tools and bolts, another armrest, more parts, and more parts. Now that vacuum's pretty light, but you can see that it comes pretty hollow, all the parts inside. So with everything out of the box is what we're looking at. We got our backing, our seat, our nuts and bolts with our tool, our wheels, our armrest, all the other little pieces. Now we just got to put it all together. The first step, you're going to take that piece that has the 5, I don't know what you call it, the branches, whatever, and then you're going to take these pieces and you're going to put them on with the curve facing upward, and then you're going to bolt down each one of them. And then the wheels will go on each one of these. And that's what we're looking at once we got the wheels and everything on. Also that donut piece, you separate that apart, put one on each side, and then clamp them together. Next you'll just kind of flip it over. This piece here is going to go in here. And now we'll start putting the seat together. So with the seat, if we're looking at the instructions, the holes need to be facing forward, and this piece will be facing backwards there. Now next, once we get that part done, we can attach the seat, and we're just going to snap it in place. And now our seat is finished there. So next we're going to install the armrest to the seat. You're going to have the 2 holes down here, and you're going to attach it there with the 2 holes over here for the backing. Once that's done, we're going to flip it around. We're going to do the other side. Next we need to install the backing on here. That's going to be pretty easy, especially since the backing is actually one of the lightest parts of this whole thing. Here it is when it's all put together. Now the biggest question is going to be, how comfortable is it? I'm a pretty large guy. I'm also about 5'11" for some reference. It's not super big. It's definitely not a very large backing. This might be a little bit better for smaller people. It will rise up, which that might be a little high for my desk. So just to kind of give you a little bit of a reference here, I mean, the seat's not super wide if you're a larger person like myself, and it doesn't extend out too far, so this might be better for someone that might be a little bit smaller. And the armrest, I would definitely prefer them to be adjustable, a little bit bigger, but you know, it is what it is. I chose this chair and it's how it is. It does kind of rock a little bit. But of course, you can lock it where it doesn't rock anymore. Unlock it and rock. It wheels around pretty nicely. At least with me, I have one of those plastic deals on the floor, which I do need to replace that as well. Overall, the chair, it's moderately comfortable. It is a little small, at least for someone like me. But I think for a smaller person, a child, things like that, this would be perfect.